Alright, hello and welcome to another adventure. We are doing another high point today, a bonus high point. We are going to hike to the top of Black Mountain, which is the highest point in Kentucky. It sits at 4,145 feet, and it's a 3-mile round trip, so it should be like a little over a mile up and a mile back. So let's go check that. We're pressed for time, so let's get going. You can see a little bit up here. We're here in the early November and the trees are already off, so there's no view up there. There's a viewpoint down below, which I'll show you in the video. But yeah, basically just walking up this this path here. You can drive up here, but we wanted to do the hike. We always pick hiking over driving, so this one's not one of the most exciting high points, I'm just tell you that. But if you're doing high points, it's a necessity. You have to get it done. So let's go. So one thing you should know about Black Mountain, it's been heavily mined for coal. This is right in Harlan County, Kentucky, and which is a very, very heavy coal producing area of the state. And for years, this high point was owned by a mining company. But a few years ago, well, it was owned by a mining company, and you used to need a permit to come up here. So, if anything happened, the mining company would not be held responsible. But in recent years, the state of Kentucky now owns this land, and they haven't really done it much. They haven't really done much with it, as you see when we get to the top. But it is now state-owned land. At least the road is. There's a couple places on the side that's posted, but the road itself is state-owned. So you can drive up the road, or if you feel so inclined, you can walk up. So. A little bit of views here because the tree is not leafed over. So if there were leaves, you wouldn't see anything. But no leaves in the trees, and you get a nice, a little bit of a view of the surrounding mountain ranges. So this is I guess this is a radar tower, and this you can definitely see from 160. This isn't property of the United States, so that's definitely off limits. But as long as you stay on the road, you'll be fine. That's pretty neat thing up here. You can see there's definitely people. They can hear machines running. If you were to drive up here, this is where you would park. There's a huge parking lot up here. You can kind of see the sun going down behind me. And then right here is the tower. Where is it? Right here's the tower. So you would park just right here. See this big open space. You can fit a lot of cars in here. And then you walk the rest of the way up to the summit, which is not much farther up there. So yeah, if you did want to drive, this is where you would park. All right, this is the final push to the summit. You go up here, see right up there, you can see towers there. That's the summit right there. So right up this way, I'll take you up with me. Almost there. Alright, this is it. The summit of Black Mountain, 4,125 feet. I'll get you the specific elevation. But you can see this is there used to be a tower up here, but you can see the tower is broken. And if they would fix that, it would actually be a pretty good view up here. But the state hasn't done much. Well, it was in mining companies' hands for years, and hopefully the state will decide to do something with it. Here's the marker, Black Mountain, Kentucky. Consequently, the marker is right above the fire tower, so if they ever did do this, you'd definitely be on the summit. But all right, summit of Black Mountain, Kentucky, 4,125 feet. High point number 26 for me. We officially have more high points done than we have to go. So still got some tough ones, but finally got Kentucky out of here. Monument for the highest point in Kentucky, 4,139. You can read it. It is in honor of the pioneer of cable television. So you can kind of read that. Alright, Black Mountain, Kentucky, 4,139 feet, high point number 26. Kentucky is done. Man, this area up here has so much potential. I hope the state does something with this to fix the tower, because it actually would be a pretty nice view up there if they would get the tower fixed. But as it is, it is what it is. Still a high point, so I can say I did Kentucky. Kentucky's done. So we'll try to go down and try to catch the sunset down at the viewpoint. So I'll meet you down there. Alright, Black Mountain, Kentucky. The elevation is incorrect because the plaque up top says 4139, but that's where we are. So down that way is the Kentucky sign, and there you can say welcome to Virginia. So we're right on the border, so the path is right on the border there to go up. So that's Virginia, that's the sun going down. Here is the lookout of Black Mountain. You can see all the strip mining out there that they did. As the sun's going down here in Harlan County, Kentucky. Well, we missed the sunset. You can see the sun going down behind me. It's a beautiful, beautiful view here. The hike up itself was alright, just walking up a dirt road and there's no view at the summit. Definitely a missed opportunity, but this viewpoint's pretty stellar. So that is it here from Black Mountain, my 26th state high point. If you like what you're seeing, please hit that subscribe button. It gives you all 50 state high points, hikes, roadside attractions, and other stuff around the country and around the world. Tell your friends, hit the like button, and we'll see you in the next adventure. Alright, we're going to add the state of Kentucky here. So that'll be high point number 26. Put that right in there. Alright. So Kentucky's done. Definitely my least favorite high point. You can see the bullet hole written signs and the broken fire tower. But that's done. So we're at 26 high points. That's it for 2023. In 2024, we have one potential I'm planning, and then maybe another trip. But 2024, we have some exciting things to do. So that's it, and we'll see you in upcoming ventures. You don't want to miss them.